Okay, so after you do the first two steps, choosing a text and choosing a genre, then you can start thinking about the prompt and starting to construct a proposal. Okay, so a proposal is you have 250 to 500 words to work with. We practiced writing proposals throughout the semester. So a proposal is a way of outlining or thinking the text, thinking the essay before you write the essay. So in order to write a good proposal, you have to do the reading and writing and thinking beforehand in, uh, in order to get the idea out. So you're not writing the essay yet. You are writing the essay in your mind, okay, and sort of outlining all the moves that you're going to make. So a tough thing to do, but a crucial thing to do in terms of critical thinking and critical writing. So general apps, what do you need to do? First of all, you need to contextualize, problematize, theorize, and define the problem, which is basically Gen Ed and IH, and you need to define terms like useful, critical, and generative, right? So remember, the problem is Gen Ed IH, not the text or not a topic in the text. So begin with the problem. You have to define it, right? So contextualize Gen Ed in some way as a problem, right? So, and then after you do that, right, then you want to select and critically textualize one text, right? So you've made your text selection. Now you have to justify it. I chose this text, either Crito or Genesis, because, okay? So summarize the text very briefly and then say why you are using it, why it is applicable or useful for the problem at hand. Same thing with the writing genre. Just don't pick a writing genre because you think it's easy and you like it. No, you pick a writing genre the way you pick a tool. It's useful, it's necessary, it's going to get the job done. Okay? So justify your decisions, right? Show command of both your reading and writing abilities. Isolate a specific topic for analysis, right? And so this is something you always want to do with a text. You don't want to cover the whole text and talk about everything. Pick out one topic, one discourse from the text. Use that as your tool of the text. And also roadmap what you're going to use from the text. What are the citational passages that you're going to use to support your analysis? Okay, so always try to reduce the text to the lowest common dynamic. Okay, and if you do that, you will produce space for you um, to critically think. Okay, and that's the key thing, right? So make sure you do that or attempt to do that.